Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. In this episode, I'll be unboxing our July 2021 GloveBox while working on the love of my life, this 1988 Porsche 944. So let's get started. Okay, this month I wanted to do things a little bit differently. I wanted you to see what my normal wash process looks like, what I call my refresh. And it worked out perfectly because all the products included in this month are basically the essentials you'll need to keep the exterior of your car looking good during your detail therapy sessions. So first, from Jack's Wax, we have their wash and wax. To me, if I'm gonna be washing the car anyways, why not add a little bit of protection? Wash and wax allows you to do that. Also pH neutral. And to pair with that perfectly, from the Rag Company, we have their Ultra Wash Mitt. Now when we got these in your guys' hands, they weren't even on the market yet, but now they're available if you want to get some more at the Rag Company. Then, after we wash the vehicle, you'll see me start from the wheels as usual, and then get to the paint, and we'll always work from top down when we get there. And then we'll dry the vehicle, and then we'll clean the windows. On the windows, watch what I do. I always work in a square section from the outside in and then back from the inside out. This just helps eliminate any streaking or bringing any debris all the way across. I'm centralizing it, right? And then I'm picking up the debris. So from Supreme Detail, we have their clear view. And to pair with that in your box from Auto Fiber, we have their smooth glass top. I like these because there's no fibers on here, so it's not leaving those little fibers behind. Sometimes this is my go-to, or also from Auto Fiber, they have those waffle weave glass towels that work really great. But this month, got you guys the smooth glass towel to try out. Next, same concept. If I'm washing the car, add a little bit of protection, add a little bit of shine. Now, if I'm triple checking at the end, making sure that I got rid of any streaks or anything like that, I'm gonna hit it with the VVASH Superior Shine, their spray wax. Very easy to use, makes the gloss insane when you're done, you'll see. And to pair it with that, from the Rag Company, we have their Drago microfiber towel. So, boom, everything working together still. Now, what about the shoes? What about the wheels? For the rubber, for the moisturizer, from RCP America, we have their Blizzard's tire dressing. You'll see me use a lot of gel water-based products for the tires itself because I feel it's less sling. And I'm not one of those guys that love shiny tires or wheels. So I always prefer to go with the gel typically. And to pair with that, we have also from RCP America, their tire applicator. So a well-rounded box. Now I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna turn on some chill music. I'm just gonna go through my normal wash session, bring you guys along with me. You'll also see me using and testing some new products I wanna release later in glove boxes, a different drying aid, different wheel and tire cleaner. I'll also be using our 3-bucket wash system. I think we have a few of those available online on our site. And then I'll also be using the MetroVac Sidekick, which we also have available on our site. So enough talking for me. Let's turn on the chill music and get to work. That concludes this episode of Detail Matters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up below. And if you have any detailing related questions, comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that alert icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Till next time, happy detailing.